just wanted to give a quick overview of the dashboard setup for the ERVIN project. In this case, you can see my Wi-Fi is turned off, and I'm going to show you about how long it takes to connect if you were coming in from the internet. So this would be from anywhere on the web. This is not on the coach's Wi-Fi. Dashboard remote. So you can see it makes a connection pretty quick, and it's maybe, I don't know, a fraction of a second slower than connecting directly through the Wi-Fi. So this is the basic dashboard. This is based on a Node-RED, on the Node-RED dashboard, and this is this dashboard configuration that I'm using. This could be configured pretty much any way you want it. So I've got scenes, interior lights, exterior lights, aqua hot, locks, and location. So scenes are basically groups of lights that get set to specific dim or bright levels. And for example, all inside off. You can kind of see that all the lights went off. All inside on. And then a few other routines. For the interior lights, you can see I did an all inside on, so they're all set to 100%. Now if I say, for example, dinner time, Alexa, dinner time.
Enjoy your meal.
You can see all of the settings change to what we use for our dinner time routine. Alexa, kitchen.
Okay.
And you can see what happened there. Plus I can obviously manually control these as well. Adjust the brightness. Actually, in the new version of Node-RED, these sliders are more responsive and more useful. And of course we have all the lights here for the coach. Same for the exterior lights. Of course, none of these are dimmable lights, so they're just switches and they don't have the dimming slider. They're all relay controlled circuits on the G6 panel. And this little moon phase thing down here is just something I was playing around with. Then we also have the aqua hot, so I can either turn the electric or the burner on. Right now I got them both off because we're not aboard the coach full time. The locks, so I can lock the cargo or the entry or unlock them. And this location one is just something I'm playing around with. Whenever we're moving more than 5 miles an hour, it'll record our location. And then when we stop, it stops recording. So this would be the last recorded location. And that'll be used to calculate sunrise, sunset times. So that our lights that I have controlled at sunset, for example, come on at the correct time for the location that we're at. And obviously here, this is, we have scenes here and lights here, but as you heard me do, they can also be controlled by Alexa. And this scene builder down at the bottom is another little project I'm working on, and that'll allow you to set, what you basically do is you set all the lights the way you want them, and then you type in a scene name, which has to be predefined right now, and then that scene will revert the lights to the way you had them set up. Another interesting thing here, another little project, notice it says Rob and Linda are both away. Well, that's because it's Wi-Fi. It detects the phone's presence on the network. So what I did, if I go over here and turn on my Wi-Fi, in a few seconds hopefully, once the Wi-Fi comes up, and it's still thinking about doing that. And it did turn, okay, here it's starting to come up now. So you should watch under Rob there. It should switch to home once it detects that my phone is on the network, and there it goes. So that's useful because now I can say, okay, if neither of us are home, turn certain things off. Say, for example, the aqua hot electric or certain lights or whatever, or even start some kind of a security routine that'll make it look like we're home when we're not. So anyway, that's the basic overview of the dashboard. And like I said, you can do anything you want with it. So there you go.